My name is Aldiar, and I'm the founder and CEO of Sholq, a digital platform that automates freight transportation. At first glance, it may seem like standard trucking, moving goods from point A to point B, but in reality, the process involves 47 to 50 distinct stages. These include things like participant accreditation, verifying if the shipment request is legitimate, and supplier accreditation, confirming whether the driver is real, whether the truck belongs to them, and whether they have the legal right to carry out the shipment. Then comes contracting. We log the agreement between parties, followed by payments, tracking, loading, transit, unloading, and final documentation. Now, how do we use biometrics? In our market, fraud is a serious issue, especially when it comes to validating the actual driver. At the moment of pickup, we need to be 100% sure that it's the exact driver and vehicle specified in the contract and that they're authorized for the job. Previously, we had to involve security teams, manually check IDs, run open-source background checks, and gather recommendations. Verifying just one driver could take 1 to 5 hours, and each shipment could have 10 to 20 candidates. This slowed everything down, leading to lost clients and lost contracts. Biometrics helps us solve this securely, quickly, and at scale.
For the company Project Mail, we integrated our biometric platform directly into their digital system, Sholq. Now every driver is registered automatically. Through biometric KYC verification, the driver undergoes a liveness check using a camera. Then their photo is matched with the one on their identity document, while their data is simultaneously cross-checked in real time against government registries and databases. As a result, the company receives a verified and trustworthy carrier, and the contract signing process takes place online via electronic digital signature. It's official and secure.
Partnering with the biometric service allowed us to increase our client onboarding speed tenfold. For example, if we used to bring in 1 client a week, now we can onboard 10 clients in the same time frame. Of course, that's a rough estimate, but it gives a sense of the scale. We reduced the supplier verification time to just 5 minutes. That gave us tremendous speed improvements, better service quality, and allowed us to reduce our staff by nearly 90%. Because, essentially, those manual roles became redundant. At the same time, we started getting more accurate data, delivered on time, which helped us fulfill our operational needs. Overall, through our collaboration with the biometric platform, specifically through biometric validation and accreditation of participants, we've drastically reduced the risk of fraud. We now assess the supplier's quality at the very start, right at the entry point. We can check their background and reduce our risks to a minimum. And in logistics, minimizing risk is one of the most crucial factors.
At Biometric.Vision, we believe that security is not just a technology, it's a strategic advantage for any business. We are not just a solution provider, but a reliable partner that helps companies protect their data, operations, and reputation. Together with Project Mail, we've demonstrated how modern biometric technologies and digital identification can transform business, making it faster, safer, and more transparent.
We looked into various solutions. At one point, we even considered developing part of the software ourselves. But when we met the founder of the biometric platform, Alibek, we realized that this team are true professionals. Their product was already in demand. They showed us their working cases with financial institutions. We understood that if even QIS trusted them with part of their infrastructure, we could trust them too. And we weren't wrong. They've been excellent partners, and we're very satisfied with the collaboration.
And we're continuing to move forward, helping you grow and stay one step ahead of any risk.